Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series, question number 14. What is the name of the startup that inaugurated India's first private launch pad? Options: Skyroot, InSpace, Agnikul, Gaganpad. Along with the answer, let's also learn some of the important details about the first private launch pad. Chennai based startup Agnikul Cosmos recently opened India's first private launch pad and mission control center at the Satish Dhawan Space Center that is located in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. It was inaugurated on November 28th by ISRO chairman S. Somanath. About the facility, the Agnikul launch pad and the Agnikul Mission Control Center are 4 kilometers apart. They are connected with each other via various critical systems to ensure 100% operationality during the countdown. This facility was designed by the startup Agnikul Cosmos and executed with the support from ISRO and InSpace. It is first exclusive launchpad for launching private launch vehicles. It is designed specifically to support liquid stage control launches and also to help ISRO to monitor flight safety parameters during launches. Agnikul's inaugural launch of the Agniban rocket will take place from this launch pad. So the answer for the question is option C, Agnikul. Agnikul is the name of the startup that inaugurated India's first private launch pad. And here is another question for you. Hornbill Festival is a cultural festival celebrated in which state or union territory? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. That's it for this video, guys. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali, and also do not forget to check out the community post.